drain, even after all the weight, even after pain. Dark and pressed beneath the years, shaped by heavy days, by footsteps that did not mean harm, but never walked away. Still it breathes, soft and slow, like the earth beneath the snow. Not loudly, not free, but somehow still alive in me. So I breathe, and then I breathe again, holding on to hope with trembling hands. And though the ground feels heavy now, it has not buried me, because beneath the weight of sorrow, I am still breathing. I am not asking for the earth to suddenly let go, only soften long enough to let a little hope grow. One more step, one more dawn, one more morning to hold on, where I do not come apart. Inside my weary heart, there is beauty in this kind of pain, the kind that quietly remains, teaching fragile souls to bend without finally breaking. So I breathe, and then I breathe again, holding on to hope with trembling hands. And though the ground feels heavy now, it has not buried me, because beneath the weight of sorrow, I am still breathing. Wholeness is not freedom from the hurt. It is walking through the fire with tenderness preserved, learning how to wake without becoming stone, learning how to carry grief without losing my soul. So I breathe, and then I breathe again, and with every breath, the earth remembers that it was never made to be a grave, or hold what cannot heal, but a place where something beautiful learns to endure and still feel. And though the season lingers long and tears fall endlessly,